Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term metaphor. Introduction. Metaphor as a literary and rhetorical device has captured the attention of scholars, philosophers, grammarians and literary critics for over 2 millennia. However, despite the extensive study, there remains no unanimous agreement on how metaphors are identified, understood, and what purposes they serve. This video provides a brief summary of the most prominent views on metaphor. The similarity view. Traditionally, metaphors were analyzed as departures from literal language, serving as condensed or elliptical similes, implicitly comparing two dissimilar things. This view emphasizes that the features being compared pre-exist the metaphor, and it can be translated into a statement of literal similarity without losing cognitive content. Metaphors in this view primarily enhance the rhetorical force and stylistic vividness of discourse. The interaction view. In contrast to the similarity view, the interaction view proposes that a metaphor brings together the disparate thoughts of the metaphorical world, vehicle, and its subject tenor to create a new meaning resulting from their interaction. This view rejects the notion that metaphors are solely poetic or rhetorical devices and posits that they permeate all language, influencing how we perceive and conceive the world. The pragmatic view. This view challenges the assumption that there is a distinct metaphorical meaning separate from the literal meaning. Instead, it suggests that metaphors mean what the words mean literally and serve to suggest or lead us to notice something that might otherwise be overlooked. The focus here is on the pragmatic use of literal language to convey metaphorical meanings. The cognitive or conceptual view. A prominent view since the 1980s, it rejects the notion that ordinary language is primarily literal, asserting that it is fundamentally metaphorical. This perspective sees metaphors as cognitive mental processes projecting and mapping across conceptual domains. Basic conceptual metaphors pervade discourse and structure human perception, knowledge, and thinking. Conclusion. Scholars like George Lakoff, Mark Turner, I.A. Richards, Max Black, Donald Davidson, and John Searle have significantly contributed to these various views and provided insights into the nature and functions of metaphors. While debates continue, it is apparent that each view addresses specific types of metaphors or functions, and they can complement each other rather than being mutually exclusive. So this was the discussion about the term metaphor. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.